You're not gonna hit it. Just kick off the wall. You're gonna break your ankle again. Kick off the wall towards the pool. I don't know how to do it.
I'm not gonna.
I don't know how to, like, angle it. Okay.
I'm not gonna flip.
Wait, you have to go. You're just gonna jump?
I'm not gonna flip this, dude.
You would.
No, seriously.
Alright, then do something cool. I don't know. Belly flop. Belly flop. This is going on YouTube. Belly flop. You got like 30 seconds left. You have to go. Come on. You can't hold me out for my 30 seconds. John! 20 seconds.
20 seconds. A lot can be done in 20.
15 seconds.
15?
Come on, just go.
Like the 10 yet?
Oh my gosh, yes, go, go. No, go. It's done.